Hello everyone, one last video on the tower tilt plate and antenna, the GXP 14 element 4 band. I've changed over the winch since last time. This is now a 12-ton winch with a 10mm cable. I've just pushed the tower out a little bit, just a little bit of a kick on the tower, so it's not 100% up and down. What I do now is, if I pull this cable, you can actually hear it releasing. Then, very hard to do one-handed, let it down. So now the tilt plate is released. Maybe, not really. Let's go closer and pull the tilt plate. There it is. It released then, you'll see it swinging. There it is, nice and slow. Pretty well a good center of balance. Let's let her out again. Don't like to be anywhere near these things when they come down. I don't care who built it or how strong it is. Coming down, the antenna's staying nice and flat. Remember, double cable, twice the half as much pull on a double cable back to the winch. She's coming down. Now it'll come down until it sits just about on top of that point up there. I've just got to watch the radials and make sure the radials don't dig into the ground. There we go, it's finding its own center of balance now. Here we go. There's the tilt plate down. The radials here need a little bit of, so you don't drive them into the ground. What I generally do is when the antenna comes down, I tie the tilt plate up to the rest of the extension of the boom. So let's get this in position. That's it, that's as far as we go. All right, I'll be back in 1 minute to show you the antenna. Actually, I can show you the I'll tie it up and show you the antenna, so I'll be back in a minute. Part 2 of the video. This is the GXP antenna. 40-meter uprights. Didn't use Mon strand. I ended up using yachting cable, yachting rope, which is double layer polyurethane or polyethylene with a Dyneema insert, so it should last forever. Nice and thick, nice and strong. Coming down, all the sections tapered, nylox. As I'll come down this way, 40-meter loading coil, beautifully made. They do a great job at GXP. Coming down here, all the connections, boom, phasing bars. Okay, so here's the ballon. Ballon is 1:1. Again, I've done the old trick there with the amalgamating tape. Put some tape over the top of it and a cable tie to hold it together. Tilt plate in position. The adjuster for the tilt plate comes back and sits against the backing of the tilt plate. The tilt plate release mechanism. Hairpin match, and there we go. Beautifully made antenna. There's the joint of the boom. Lovely job, and more than happy with it. Does a great job. Alright everyone, that's it. I'm going to put the antenna back up in the air, go inside and see if I can get some 40-meter DX. Thanks for watching everyone. One more quick video. My friend Rodney suggested that we should show with the antenna going up, so here we go with the antenna going up. All happens fairly quickly. The tilt plate does a great job. Clears the roof. Really, this thing would be nearly impossible to do without a tilt plate. You'd have to have the end of the boom into the ground and then work off really tall ladders. It'd just be so awkward. It goes up relatively quickly. I'm using a remote control at the moment on this one. Coming down. One of the things I never like doing, walking underneath the tower when the antenna's going up. Just about there. I think there's a safe working time of about 45 seconds on these winches before you need to let them cool and rest, but it happens all pretty quickly. There we go, just about back in the holder. What'll happen now is that the bottom holes will mate up. There we go, jig that a little bit. Look at that. Beautiful. Put the holes in, the bolts in, and we'll go. Leave a comment in the comments section. Let me know where you're from, give a call sign. Let me know that someone's watching my videos, and thanks again for having a look.